It's here. Walmart Beauty Box. Wow! I just got my shipping notification 2 days ago. Wow! This is really fast. This is the summer 2026 Walmart Beauty Box for $8.98. And they sent me my billing. They told me that they billed me, and then they sent me my shipping. And I thought, okay. But I didn't expect it to be here today, and here I am doing another video back to back because I did not know this was out in my mailbox till my granddaughter brought it in. It's the summertime beauty edit, and it looks like these are my products right here, and this is exciting. Walmart has made the box a little better. And there's something here on the back. Doing your hair has never been easier. And it looks like there's some kind of QR code. And it's not your mother's. So maybe that is a product that could be in here. Maybe that's a feature product. Well, let's find out. There's several things in here. The first thing that I'm going to pick up out of here, you're going to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 items. That's what I'm seeing. So I think they sent me a list of everything that was going to be in my box. I'm supposed to have version 1. And let me see where it tells you that. It used to be on our card. It's in the bottom corner of over here where you have the scan. There's a number there and it says S25V1. That means I have version 1, and it told me that in my email. So, wow, this is really fast. Okay, this first thing I'm picking up is called a 3-variety pack electrolyte drink mix, and I don't see it on my list of things, so I don't know anything about this other than what it's going to tell us there. It's LMNT. And it's 1,000 milligrams. Does that say sodium? Yeah, and potassium, 200 milligrams. So this must be the minerals that's in it. So, okay. Well, I'll definitely try those out. It says it has 5 calories per pack. And I'm sure you put 1 stick in a glass of water or, in a bottle or something and shake it up. But it's not on my list. So let's see if the next thing's on my list. The next thing I have is Find Your Perfect Fit. And these are little Gimme Beauty Bounce Back hair bands. Full size would be 12 pieces, and I got 3 or 6, I guess. If you count them individually, I've got 6. But if you count them in pairs, I've got 3. And a full size would be $7.90. So, I mean, that's a good size. It looks like this one here's one bigger one. Like one big one. And then maybe 2 smaller ones for ponytails or something. So, anyways, the Bounces Back hair bands. So, why do they call it hair bands and not just... Well, I guess because it's not a rubber band. I don't know. Anyways, that's a good deal. The next thing is Grun's Adult Superfood, and these are gummies, and a full size would be $19.97. And they're superfood greenies, and I do like to take the greenies. And it looks like here it's gut health, energy, immunity, recovery, and beauty cognition. So very good. And there's, I guess, how many are in here? It doesn't say how many are in here. Or at least I'm not seeing it. And I don't have sunshine in here, so it's darker in here today. Okay, the next item I'm pulling out on my list is the La Roche-Posay, I don't know, Anthelius UV Pro Sport Sunscreen SPF 50. Now, I heard this is really good. La Roche is a good brand, and I guess that's Posay or Posay. I don't know exactly how to pronounce that. But anyways, That's a good deal. And a full size of this would be $32.97. So very nice. I'd like to try that out. And yes, I did get the Not Your Mother's. And it is a 10-in-1 All Eyes on Me hair protector. Okay. It's a leave-in detangler. So that's nice. My grandkids or daughters really like this. And it's a full size is 6 fluid ounces, and it'd be $7.92. And the full size of this for $32 would be 6.7 fluid ounces, just in case you wanted to know. And a full size of this is going to give you 12 servings. So I don't know if that's great or not. The next thing that I have in here is the chapstick. I Love Summer Collection Lip Balm. It's a variety pack. It is a full size, and it's $3.88. So that's great. I love some chapstick. And it looks like the flavors are on top there, like watermelon, maybe peach or mango, and maybe a citrus one over here. It doesn't really say, but that's really a good deal. I like that. So far, I'm going to use everything in my box. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is some Palmer's Tanetian Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. That sounds good. Now, you can get a full size, and I guess they'd be $5.97 each, and they'd be 10.6 fluid ounces. But that's, I could probably get a couple of washes out of that. It says it has honey in it. Acacia honey. It hydrates, smooths, nourishes, and shines. So it's cocoa butter formula. Okay, and that's a good size sample, actually. Very nice. Okay. Well, I have one more sample in here, and it is the L'Oreal, and it's the Glotion. And this is the True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhance in medium. And it told me I was going to get medium. Full size is $17.99. And this is achieve a natural sun-kissed glow with this viral TikTok favorite, L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. This multi-purpose liquid works as a luminous primer, lightweight, full-face foundation, highlighter, contour, and bronzing drops. It's formulated with shea butter and glycerin to hydrate the skin all day. Available in 5 shades. This highlighting glow lotion can be worn on your face or full body for a natural glow of a tinted moisturizer with instant hydration. Wow. Okay, well, I'm loving this box. And hey, look how many fossils I got. They didn't skimp. I guess they've been listening to us. I got a whole box full. So, hey, this is a great box. And let's see how this color is for me. There's the color. And it looks like it's going to match up for me just fine. Maybe I'll put some on my nose. It is nighttime, so I'm going to wash this off. Very nice. I got a glowy nose now. I can be Rudolph the Red-Nosed, except it's not red. It's glowing like a tan. All right, well, that's great. It smells good, too. I mean, it doesn't stink or anything. So great. Okay, so I got the L'Oreal. This is a great box. I got the Palmer's Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. I got chapstick, 3 of them. I got the gummies to try out to get my greens. I got me ponytail holders. That's what I would call it. And this was a bonus because it's not even on my card. So I've got me some variety pack of LMNT. I got the All Eyes on Me. Now, we'll give this to my granddaughter to use. And then I got my SPF 50. So, and this is already drying in. So, great. Perfect. And again, this was my card. So you can see what I got. The summertime beauty edit. Okay, Walmart, you did great. This is a great box. Let me know what you guys think of my box. What's your favorite in this one? I think my favorite's going to be the L'Oreal or the chapstick. And what about this box? What do y'all think about having an orange box? That's different. And that is kind of summertime color, isn't it? Alright, well that's it. That's all I have. And I'm going to let you guys go because I know you got more beauty boxes to go look at. So as for today and my Walmart beauty box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.